Okay, section 17.1 covers the rectangular coordinate system. So recall that when you have a rectangular coordinate system, the x-axis goes from left to right, the y-axis goes up and down. When you're plotting these, you always plot x first and then y. So an example of plotting points, if we have what we call an ordered pair, that's 4 and 2. This is our x and this is our y. So to plot this, you must plot x first and then y. The positive side of x is on the right side of 0. 0 is right here in the middle. And the negative side is on the left. The positive side of y is up and the negative is down. So to plot this, I am going to go 4 for x and 2 for y. 4 for x is here on the right, and then you don't stop there. You still have to go up 2 because it's positive. So there is my first ordered pair. That's our first one. All right, I'm going to plot 2 up here and 2 down here. Let's call that one A. Let's go ahead and plot our B. X is 3 and y is negative 2. So you're going to go x3 and then y is negative 2, which means you're going to go down right here to the negative 2. And that is my B. By the way, these quadrants are labeled. This is quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sometimes written like with numericals. Okay, next I'm going to plot C. I'll plot C down here, where x is negative 3, and then you go up to y, which is a positive 3. And then finally, x and y, negative 1, negative 4. So you're going to go negative 1 to x, and then you're going to go down to negative 4 for D. So that's how we plot these points. All right, let's do example 2. Plot the points on the graph. Identify which quadrant, okay? All right, so A, 4 and negative 5, you're going to go 4 for x and down to negative 5 for y. This one is right here, which would be in quadrant 4. All right, B, negative 5 and 4. Feel free to pause the video if you feel like it's too fast. I know we're all in different paces. And then just kind of go over and make sure you understand. So B, negative 5 for x and then up to 4. So you're going to go x negative 5 and then you're going to go up here to 4. So that would be in quadrant 2. Remember, it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, C, 3 to 0. X is 3 and then y is 0. That means you do not go up or down. So that one is going to be right here. It's not in a quadrant. It is going to be on the x-axis because you did not go up or down. And then the last one, which is 2 and 2, you go x2 and up to y2, which would be right here. And that is going to be in quadrant 1. Example 3, find the coordinates of the indicated pair and write the ordered pair. Identify what quadrant. All right, let's start with A. A is right here, which is in quadrant 2. But let's go ahead and write the ordered pair. You write x first. So I'm going x, I'm going negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. And then we are going to go up to 5 for y, and this will be in quadrant 2. All right, B is on the y-axis. I'm not moving left or right, so x will be 0. And then you're going to go up 2 to the y. So this one will be on the y-axis. C is on the x-axis, and you go over here, negative 4 for x. Since you don't go up or down, you're going to say it's 0 for y. So this one is on the x-axis. All right, D is here, so you're going to go 2x, and then you're going to go up to 6. And you can try these on your own if you want, and then compare your answers with me. And then E, you're going to go negative 1 for x, and then you're going to go down to negative 5 for y. Oh, I forgot to say the quadrant. D is in quadrant 1, E is in quadrant 3, and finally F, you're going to go 6 and negative 6, and that will be in quadrant 4. All right, let's do some guided examples, and you can feel free to do these on your own first and then come back and compare. For the plot the given points on the graph and identify the quadrant. All right, 1 is x for 3 and y is 1, and this will be in quadrant 1. 2 is -2 for x and -5. This one will be in quadrant 2. 3 is -4 for x and up 4. Oh no, this one's in quadrant 3, this one's in 2. And then 4, 0 means you don't go left or right. You're just going to go down to -3, and that is the y-axis. So this section is just an introduction to graphing. We're going to get more into this, but first practice how to graph ordered pairs.